Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some CVS deals you can do this week, September 20th through September 26th. We have some free makeup this week and some other really good cheap deals. If you want to see what we got, just keep watching. Here's a helpful tip for new CVS shoppers. To see what coupons are available for an item, open up your app, click on Deals and Rewards. Once you click on that, a new screen will open. This screen will show you all the coupons, CRTs, and app-only coupons you have available. If you click on this little barcode up here, you will be able to scan the item in the store, and it will show you if there are any coupons that attach to it. I'm going to give you a few examples. First one is pretty self-explanatory. If you scan an item and you see we couldn't find a deal for that product, that means there are no coupons that attach. But now we're going to scan a Pantene shampoo. Right away, we see we have deals for this product. We have a 5 off 25 Pantene hair care CRT. I know it's a CRT because the little coupon with the scissors and the dollar sign, that shows me it's a CRT. Next, we have a digital manufacturer's coupon. I know that because it'll show the picture and it'll say MFR on the bottom. So these are the first two and the main two coupons that we use at CVS. Another type of coupon CVS offers is app-only coupons. You can only find these in the CVS app. How do you know it's an app-only coupon? Well, it clearly says app-only right at the beginning. One more very important tip to remember for CVS shoppers is you can stack one manufacturer digital coupon with as many CRTs and app-only coupons as long as you're meeting the spend thresholds or the buy requirements for that coupon. Before shopping each week, go ahead and scan your card at the Redbox. Sometimes they have special offers that only print from the Redbox machine and it will not show up in your app, so go ahead and scan at least once a week. I personally try to print as few coupons as possible because I don't have to keep up with all the paper CRTs. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into some deals. So this week at CVS and pretty much every week at CVS, you're going to have some kind of oral care deal. So this week we have Crest Pro Health 3.5 to 4.6 ounce and 3D White 3 to 3.5 ounce, or the Complete Scope toothpaste 4 to 5.4 ounce on sale for $2.99. And when you buy two, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck. You can do this deal a limit of 2 times per household with card. So we're going to go ahead and pick up 4, since we can do the deal 2 times. We're going to pick up 4 of the toothpaste at $2.99. That's going to come to $11.96. We're going to clip this $5 off 3 adult toothpaste digital coupon. You'll find that in your app. Make sure you hit the little plus sign that says send a card so it's attaching to your card. So when you go up to the register and they scan your card, you're going to pay $6.96 out of pocket, but they're going to turn around and give you a $6 extra care buck. That makes your final cost 96 cents for all 4 or just 24 cents each. Now some people have another $1 off manufacturer coupon. I didn't have this one, but if you do have it, then you can go ahead and use it because we are buying 4 and the first coupon was on 3. So you would be able to go ahead and use that. That would make it all free plus a 4-cent moneymaker if you have that extra coupon. Clear as mud? Awesome. Let's move on. So this week we have Dove shampoo and conditioner on sale 2 for $8. There is a $3 off 2 coupon printing from the Redbox. That's where I was telling you need to print at least once a week from the Redbox because this coupon is coming out. Now after I printed it, it showed up in my app, and as you see it says printed at the bottom there. But it was not in my app prior to printing it, so I don't know if that's some new thing CVS is doing, which is great, I guess, because if you misplace it or leave it at home, you can always send it to your card if you're in the store. But anyways, on to the deal. Okay, so Dove shampoo and conditioner is on sale 2 for $8 this week. We're going to pick up 2. I got 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. I'm going to use that $3 off 2 Dove coupon that's printing at the Redbox. And then if you look in your app, there is a $1.50 off 2 Dove digital coupon. We're going to clip that as well. So the 2 together are $8. Whenever you scan your card at the register, $4.50 worth of coupons will come off. You'll pay $3.50 out of pocket, which makes them $1.75 each, but then you're going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get back some points there. If you're new to Fetch and haven't scanned a receipt with Fetch yet, you'll get back 2,000 bonus points, making it just $1.50 for both or 75 cents each. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, our next deal that we're going to do is Wet n Wild Cosmetics. They're on a promotion. Spend 10, get a $7 extra care buck. This deal has a limit of 3, so you can do it up to 3 times. So what I did is I bought one Wet n Wild brow pencil for $2.89. I bought one Wet n Wild retractable eyeliner for $2.99. I bought one Wet n Wild micro brow pencil for $4.39. I clipped the $3 off Epic Beauty Deal CRT I had, and I also clipped the 4 off 10 Wet n Wild CRT I had. I think there's a 2 off 8 CRT possibly. If you don't have any of these CRTs, I'll tell you what to do, but if you do have them, my total came to $10.27. I clipped these $7 worth of coupons, so I paid $3.27 out of pocket, and then I got back a $7 extra care buck, making my total cost free plus a $3.73 moneymaker. Okay, if you're new to CVS though, and you don't have any CRTs of any kind, or if you've been shopping at CVS for a while but you never get cosmetic CRTs, here's a deal you can do to get those cosmetic CRTs rolling. Because remember, CRTs are kind of purchase based on what you purchased in the past is what CRTs you'll kind of get pushed out. So if we want to get some cosmetic CRTs going, we need to start buying some cosmetics. This is a good way to get those going. You're going to go ahead and pick up the $10.27 worth of products, and you're going to pay that $10.27 out of pocket, but then you're going to get a $7 extra care buck. So it's like your final cost for all 3 is $3 or $1 each. But if you want, you can go back in and get another $10 worth of products, use that $7 extra care buck you just got on it, then you'll pay $3 out of pocket, and you'll get another $7 extra care buck. Now remember, this deal is a limit of 3, so you can do the $7 extra care buck 3 different times. And if you really want, you can just go in, pick up $30 worth of Wet n Wild products, pay the $30 out of pocket, and get back a $21 extra care buck. Okay, enough with the Wet n Wild products, let's move on. Here's a nice little freebie. I went in and I picked up 2 rolls of Hallmark ribbon. They're $1.29 each. You can really pick up anything you want, but I decided to go with the ribbon. They also have bags and bows. Then I also picked up 2 of these bows. They're also $1.29 each. Throw them in my cart. Now I have 2 identical CRTs that showed up on my account. Not sure why, but they're both for $3 off 2 Hallmark cards, but it works for these, so yeah. Anyways, so I picked up the 2 ribbons and the 2 bows. They're all $1.29 each. I clipped both of those Hallmark 3 off 2 CRTs. My total was $5.16. $5.16 comes off because CRTs will adjust down, so there's no overage. You don't get overage with CRTs. So basically, I could walk in there, pick those up, clip those 2 CRTs, and get them for completely free. Okay guys, those are just my top deals for CVS this week. I wanted to share them with you. I hope you find some that you can actually use. I hope you get the CRTs. Again, if you just started shopping at CVS, you have to get in there, do 1 deal a week for the first 2 weeks just to get your CRTs rolling in. The CRTs and the app-only coupons are the key to couponing at CVS, and of course the extra care bucks. So if you want, just go pick up the ribbons and bows if you have those CRTs. If not, the easiest deal you can do is the toothpaste deal, because that 5 off 3 is a coupon everybody should have gotten in their account. So just go in there and get that deal to start out with. CVS can be a little complicated or confusing when you start, but once you start getting CRTs, it's all going to make total sense if you don't have any yet. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. If you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love if you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell, turn notifications all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. I'd love to have you as part of our YouTube family. money. Don't forget to scan your receipt to fetch rewards or IBOTTA if you have any IBOTTA deals that you're doing. I didn't have any IBOTTA offers for the deals I put up here, but check your IBOTTA account because I think everybody might get different deals or somewhat different deals. So go ahead and check your IBOTTA account. Okay, I feel like I'm just rambling now, so I'm going to say have a great time couponing at CVS. Good luck with your couponing. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.